Hello, amazing friends. Let's solve for the value of x. Recall that when you have a to the power of m minus n, that is equal to a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n according to our laws of exponents. So that means that we can write this as 4 to the power of x divided by 4 to the power of 2 is equal to 40. Now let's cross multiply. Okay, if we cross multiply, we have, this same thing as 40 divided by 1. So we have 4 to the power of x times 1, which is still 4 to the power of x, is equal to 40 multiplied by 4 squared. Now let's introduce log to both sides of this equation, because that is the only way we can get the value of x. So we introduce log 4 to the power of x is equal to log 40 multiplied by 4 squared. Okay, remember that when you have log a raised to the power of b, that this is equal to b multiplied by log a. Also, when you have log a multiplied by b is equal to log a plus log b. So we are going to apply these two laws here. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So this is going to give us x multiplied by log 4 is equal to log 40 plus log 4 squared. Okay, now since we are looking for the value of x, let's divide both sides of this equation by log 4 so that only x will remain. So we are going to have x log 4 divided by log 4 and log 40 divided by log 4 and log 4 squared divided by log 4. Now log 4 is going to divide itself. We have 1 times x will give us x. Okay, then is equal to log 40 divided by log 4 plus log 4 squared. Now these two will come down to become 2 log 4 divided by log 4. Okay, if this is the first time you are seeing us, please click on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified whenever we upload our videos. We upload at least 2-3 times daily, so tune in at your convenience to watch our new uploads, and please give us a thumbs up if you're actually enjoying this video. Thank you. So now we have x is equal to 40 can be expressed as 8 multiplied by 5, okay, divided by log 4 plus, now log 4 will divide itself to give us 1 times 2 is 2. So this is what we have right now. So we have x is equal to, let's separate this as log 8 plus log 5, everything divided by log 4, okay, plus 2, plus just 2. Now we have x is equal to, let's distribute the denominator. It's going to be log 8 divided by log 4 plus log 5 divided by log 4 plus 2. Okay, now remember that 8 is the same thing as 2 to the power of 3 and 4 is the same thing as 2 squared. So I don't know if you can still see this. So let's quickly add that here. Okay, so if we do that, we will have x is equal to log, so 8 is 2 to the power of 3, right, divided by log 4 is 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 2, all right, plus log 5 divided by log 2 to the power of 2, that is 4, then plus 2. So we have x is equal to 3 log 2. This will come down to multiply log 2 divided by, this is 2 log 2 plus log 5 divided by 2 log 2 plus 2. Okay, now let us continue. If we continue, we have that x is equal to log 2 will divide itself to give us 1. 1 times 3 over 2 will still give us 3 over 2 plus, let's call this 2 as well. This is 2, right? Then plus log 5 divided by 2 log 2. Now let's add this to this. Since I want them to share the same denominator, I will multiply 1 by 2 and multiply 2 by 2 as well, so that I will have 4 divided by 2 here. So I'll have x is equal to 3 over 2 plus 4 divided by 2 plus half log 5 divided by log 2. Okay, so x is equal to 3 plus 4 will give us 7, 2 over 2, right? Then plus half log 5 divided by log 2. All right, at this point, remember that if you notice this is 2 and this is 2, that means both of them share the same denominator. So we can write that our x is equal to 7 plus log. Okay, let me write it here. Let me write it here. So we can write our x to be equal to 7 plus log 5, 7 plus log 5 divided by log 2, everything divided by 2. Okay, but recall that log a over log b is equal to log a base b. Okay, yes, so that simply means that we can write this as x is equal to 7 plus log 5 base 2, everything divided by 2, and this is the value of x. Now let's prove that the answer we got is right. Okay, so the question says that 40, 4 to the power of x minus 2 is equal to 40. So that means that we have 4 to the power of, this is our x, 7 plus log 5 base 2 divided by 2. Okay, this is what we have as our x. Then minus 2 is equal to 40. All right, let's solve. Yeah, this is the most interesting aspect. I just hope you are excited as I am. Now let's solve this first. Okay, this minus this, so we have 4 to the power of, the LCM of, let's remove this to avoid confusion. So the LCM of 1 and 2 is still what? Is still 2. Is still 2. So we are going to have 2 here. When 2 divides itself, we have 1. 1 times our numerator will still give us the same thing, log 5 base 2. Okay, then minus 1 divides 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. This is what we'll have, is equal to 40. So we have 4 to the power of, this 4 is too much, I'm managing my space. So we have 4 to the power of 7 minus 4 will give us 3, plus log 5 base 2 divided by 2, all right, is equal to 40. Now 4 can be expressed as 2 to the power of 2, so we have 2 to the power of 2 brackets, sorry, raised to the power of 3 plus log 5 base 2, everything divided by 2, is equal to 40. Remember that when you have m to the power of n multiplied by x, this is what I mean, sorry, when you have a to the power of m raised to the power of n, that's what I'm trying to say. When you have something like this, you multiply out the powers. Okay, so that same way, if I multiply 2 by this, notice that this will cancel itself. So what we now have is this, we are going to have 2 to the power of this, 3 plus log 5 base 2. Is this really equal to 40? Okay, so we have 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 2 to the power of log 5 base 2 is equal to 40. Now remember that when you have a to the power of log b base a, this is equal to b. Okay, because we are going to apply it here. Now let's go ahead and do that. Oh, sorry. Now we have 2 to the power of 3 is 8 multiplied by, they share the same base, so this is 5, is equal to 40, and 8 times 5 is 40, and you can see that 40 is equal to 40. Thank you so much for watching this amazing mathematical solution, and see you in my next video.